What's up guys, it's Ricky Chainz here. Welcome to my no BS TikTok tutorials. Today I want to talk about how long should my TikTok videos be? What's the best times? Here's the answer. The golden time for going viral on TikTok is 12 to 15 seconds and no longer than 30 seconds. Now, does that mean longer videos can't go viral? No, but the chances of a longer video going viral over a shorter one are actually quite diminished. Stick to a shorter video if you want to go viral, and for longer form content, it just needs to be a lot more engaging and catch the audience's attention for much longer. So let me give you some reasons why shorter videos actually do better. Number one, people's attention spans are just short. And shorter videos tend to keep people's attentions for longer. So the faster a video comes to its conclusion or arrives at a punchline, the quicker the viewer can actually decide if they like the video or if they want to comment or share it. Now, I'm not saying longer videos can't do well. Me and Granny, we've certainly pushed video lengths to 60 seconds, which is the longest video you can have, and also have gone viral. But the way we plan our content around that time is a lot different from our 15-second videos. Now, why is keeping this attention important? That comes to the next very important part, which is rewatch time and completion rate. Now, what do these things mean? Completion rate measures if people are actually watching your video to the end. And completion rate is a massive determining factor if a video moves on and goes viral on TikTok. So the shorter the video is, the more chances that people are going to watch all the way through till the end. And it's highly probable if the video is good that they'll rewatch it, which makes the chances of your video going viral exponentially higher than another video of a longer length. So there you have it. Keep your video short, preferably from 12 to 15 seconds, and no longer than 30 seconds if you want to go viral. Of course, you can experiment with longer form content if you want, but just know that the content has to be that much more engaging and that much more better for people to actually stay on the video long enough for the video to go viral. So please let me know if this helped. Please leave a like and a comment if there's any other topics that you want me to cover. And also, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you'll be getting any videos in the future that I make. Thank you again and have a good day.